What is the antonym of soft? Hard. What is the antonym of early? Late. What is the antonym of sharp? Blunt. What is the antonym of weak? Strong. What is the antonym of friendly? Hostile. What is the antonym of strong? Weak. What is the antonym of rich? Poor. What is the antonym of big? Small. What is the antonym of true? False. What is the antonym of noisy? Quiet. What is the antonym of expensive? Cheap. What is the antonym of brave? Cowardly. What is the antonym of empty? Full. What is the antonym of ancient? Modern. What is the antonym of clean? Dirty.